We have some breaking news coming in from Uttar Pradesh. Death toll in Lucknow building collapse incident has increased to 8 after rescuers have discovered 3 more bodies from the debris. At least 28 people have been injured in the incident. The incident has taken place in Transport Nagar area in Lucknow. The building, identified as Harmila building, have been used as a warehouse for a pharmaceutical business and have been under construction during the time of collapse. These are the latest visuals that you can see on the screen coming in from Transport Nagar in Lucknow. We have my reporter, my colleague Abhishek Singh with us live from Lucknow. Abhishek, what can you tell us about the ongoing situation in Transport Nagar after the building collapse?
Yeah, last day the building collapsed and we are at the collapse site. You can see rescue work is still going on. And you can see the JCBs and the SDRF teams are at their work. Although the whole night this rescue operation was ongoing, and still it is ongoing. And 8 dead bodies are being recovered from the rescue operation from this site. Still, there is some signals that some of them are still under the building's demolition, and because of this the rescue operation is still going slow because they are using highly equipped equipments of the SDRF teams, the heat sensor and that. We have with us DCP headquarters, Mr. RN Singh with us. He is also there from the whole night. He is here only where the rescue operation is going on with the SDRF teams. RN सिंह साहब, कैसे काम चल रहा है यहाँ रेस्क्यू का, और क्या लग रहा है अभी भी लोग अंदर फंसे हुए हैं?
नहीं, ऐसा हम लोग मान के चल रहे हैं और ईश्वर से प्रार्थना है कि ऐसा कोई अब हम लोगों को कोई ऐसी स्थिति में न मिले, लेकिन पूर्ण रूप से संवेदनशीलता के साथ जो एनडीआरएफ की और स्टेट डिजास्टर रिलीफ हमारा जो फोर्स है प्रदेश का, ये दोनों टीमें टेक्निकली प्रोफेशनली इस काम को कर रही हैं संवेदनशीलता के साथ, और हम लोग इस बात का पूरा ध्यान दे रहे हैं कि जरा सा भी कहीं कोई बात आती है उसको तत्काल मेडिकल रेस्क्यू दे सकें, और ये ऑपरेशन हम जल्दी जल्दी पूरा करेंगे। लखनऊ का जनपद प्रशासन, हमारा नगर निगम और एलडीए, सभी संबंधित विभागों के अधिकारी सभी सावधानी के साथ सारी टीमें लगी हुई हैं, सारे संसाधन उपलब्ध हैं। हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि इसको जल्दी से जल्दी इस ऑपरेशन को पूरा करें।
ये जो मलबा है इसे थोड़ा धीरे भी हटाया जा रहा है ताकि जो लोग अंदर अगर किसी के फंसे होने की आशंका है तो उसे किसी तरह नुकसान ना पहुंचे।
हमारे पूरे रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन में हमारी प्रधानता है, हम इस बात का ध्यान दे रहे हैं कि मलबा हटाने के दौरान भी यदि किसी को कुछ भी जरा सा भी हमको ऐसा प्राप्त होता है तो उसको हम सुरक्षित निकाल सकें। एक्चुअल में देखा जाए ये हमारा टीम का जो ऑपरेशन है वो मेडिकल ऑपरेशन ज़्यादा है, हम मलबा हटाने से ज़्यादा ध्यान जो है लोगों की जान बचाने पे दे रहे हैं।
कितने लोग आइडेंटिफाई हुए थे उस वक्त अंदर?
तक जो है 28 घायल लोग थे जिनको अस्पतालों में, लखनऊ के विभिन्न अस्पतालों में हम लोग इलाज करवा रहे हैं, और ईश्वर की दया से वो सभी लोग सुरक्षित हैं, उनका प्रॉपर इलाज हो रहा है। 8 लोगों के मरने की दुखद समाचार मिला था, उनमें जो उनके घर वाले हैं उनको समय सूचना दे दी गई है, और उनका जो लीगल कार्रवाई है उनके डेड बॉडी के संदर्भ में पंचायतनामा, पोस्टमार्टम वगैरह वो हम लोग करवा रहे हैं।
Yes, we were with DCP headquarters RN Singh. He was telling that 28 are being severely injured and they were giving medical aid in different hospitals. 8 are being declared dead, and still the rescue work is going on at this place. You can see the JCBs are at work, SDRF teams are at work, cutters are being used to clear the sites, and if they get a single sight or signal that somebody is inside the building, they are taking proper precautions for that if someone is inside, or he should be rescued first, unless and until it will take more time to clear the site. Yeah.
All right, Abhishek, stay on with us. Rescue operations have been underway. Rescuers have been evacuating the trapped people in Lucknow building collapse incident. SDRF, NDRF and fire department teams have been present at the spot and have been evacuating people. So, Abhishek, as you were saying, the rescue operations are still underway and it is taking time because they are careful while removing debris. What more can you tell us about the situation on the ground?
Yeah, you can see the visuals around us that many units of SDRF teams are here. They were working overnight. The place is basically the outer skirts of the city where maximum of the warehouses and transport houses are being made. This building is also a pharma based godown where one of the truck was getting unloaded at the time when this incident took place, and still the work is under. Yeah, you can see the evacuation is being taking place. They are clearing the demolition, the site, and so that they could make a path so that the SDRF teams can get down to take a look either anybody is there or not. So these, you can see the JCBs still, two of the JCBs are at the site, and because when the incident took place, the building next to the incident, you can see people in the same building were also being harmed badly. Yeah.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.